Hey, what's up YouTube? This is part 12 of the K20 Integra build, and I know you guys all been waiting for this, so have I, so let's go. This is the startup video. I haven't connected the tach yet, and there's still a sensor I have to get for temperature, so that's not gonna work. Speed's not gonna work because we're not driving, so just wanted to show you basically. Check engine light does work though, and it is for O2 sensors. They're not connected yet, but let's just do this first crank and start just to let you guys know it does run. Yeah, so there's no coolant in here or anything. That's just to let you guys know it does start. Once I get everything situated, I will actually do like a full, well, we'll actually be doing a test drive and everything once I get all the check engine lights. I'm waiting for my homie Johnny to come through. He's gonna come do some fab work and get it all mocked up for the gas tank. So once the gas tank is in, we'll basically be able to finish doing everything. So what I have to do is get all that mounted up. So once he comes through, we're gonna do some measurements for the straps and get that going. So that's basically it. I just wanted to show you guys that the car does run, and we are getting there. Hopefully we can have it barred by the end of this month. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, like, share, comment, ring that bell, and stay tuned for part 13. I mean, we're gonna get a lot more work going. We got power steering installed. We're gonna finish basically wiring up the radiator, all the other little things, put all this back in and get everything cleaned up, set up so it all just looks stock, and all the gauge cluster is going to be working and everything. So I'll be going all over that on the next video. So thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you guys later.